Hello students! Thank you so much for participating in our study. Most of the study will be done on your own time at home, so I wanted to give you a quick rundown of the process of getting to the activities while you're at home on your own computer or tablet. We recommend you not use a phone for these activities just because you will not be able to type as much and as quickly on a phone as you will on a computer, and a few of the activities require a little bit of typing. So there are a total of 5 activities that you will do at home, and then you will complete the final post-test in the class. So with all of this, your first step is to remember your ID number. So this is the same ID number that you included on the consent form, and it may be your school ID number or an ID number that you created yourself. So without that number to keep track of all the activities that you've done, we won't be able to get an accurate count of how many gift cards you will receive, so don't forget your ID number. It's very important, and it helps you access the activities. So for each activity, on each day that you're supposed to complete an activity, you will receive an email a lot like this one. So you'll get most of the emails on Mondays, Wednesdays, or Fridays. It will tell you which activity you're supposed to be doing that day. For example, this one is activity 1, and you will click on this link. So it's that simple. You get the email, see which activity you're supposed to do, click on that link. It will open this page, and it opens the same page for everybody. So with that, you'll follow the directions here. It gives you some directions to go and find your ID number in one of the 3 groups and click your ID number. It also gives you some schedules. So depending on which school you're in, whether it's West Hills High School, Mission Hills High School, or Bonita High School, you have different schedules of completing the activities. So let's use this as an example of coming the first time to do these activities. So we've already done our survey in class. So let's say it's May 23rd, so we're going to do a short pre-test and introduction video activity today. So with that, the next step is to come down here and figure out which group I'm in. So I could either look for my ID number through like this and just scroll through trying to find it. They're not in numerical order. They're in order of consent forms received. So a better way to do this might be using Control F or Command F to search the page. So let's say my ID number is 332159. Alright, so that brings me down here. It looks like I'm in group 3. And so that means each activity I do, I will come down here and click my ID number here in the same place in group 3. So I'll scroll up to get a better idea of what it is or where it is. So it looks like it's on one of the last pages. So now the only thing I need to do is click that ID number. And that will take you to this opening study page. Again, each time you click that, it'll bring you to this page. This helps you navigate to which activity. So since it's the first activity, and each time actually you'll enter your ID number, so I'm just going to say test this time. So we can look back here at our schedule. It's May 23rd, so we're doing a short survey pretest and introduction video. So this asks, have you watched the introduction video? Well, no, I have not. That's what I'm here to do today. So you tell it that, and it will give you a short test and a intro video. So with that, always remember to click this little green button on the bottom right after you've completed surveys. So that would be how you get into the very first activity. The very next time, which we actually call activity 1, you'll get another email, and you'll click that link, which will bring you to this page. And you'll go to your ID number and click your ID number, which will bring you to the opening page you saw a minute ago. And instead, you will click, yes, I have watched that intro video. When you click that, it will open up this page, and it'll say, do you want to go to activity 1, 2, 3, or 4? So to remind yourself, you can either look at your email, all right, today we're doing activity 1, or you can look at the study instructions page in the schedule area, and you can say, okay, today is the 25th, so I'm doing activity 1. So click on activity 1, and click go. So that will help you get to the proper activities. One thing that you might happen to you as you come to the activities, you might get a warning that says you have already taken this survey. If that happens to you, exit out of the survey, clear your browsing history, and then try it again. Because that's just the computer program remembering that it was your IP address that took that survey. But if you clear your browsing history, it won't recognize that anymore, and you'll be able to do that. So thank you again for taking part in our study. We really appreciate it. We know that it'll help you a lot in your own life. So thank you again very much. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me. My email's at the bottom of this page here, brian.riches@cgu.edu. So thank you again.